Hey everybody, Chris with Veterans AC here in Phoenix, Arizona. First thing we're going to go over is our Fieldpiece wireless probes. Well, those are the manometers, there's your clamps, there's your temperature probes, those are your pressure probes. Manometers are going to measure our static pressure inside the ductwork. Static pressure is a measurement of air volume in the duct. Too much static pressure on the return side is going to be equal to like a dirty filter. Basically, you've got too much pressure in the system, blower motors fighting to push. It's basically just giving us the positive and negative readings. Generally, we're looking for a combined rating of 0.5 or under. So on our temperature probes, also called psychrometers, we're going to drill and tap the ductwork. We're going to throw one in the supply. We're going to put one in the return, and then we're also going to have another one outside of the unit, and that's more data collected that's going to go into our MeasureQuick system. Pipe clamps here, these are going to go on the outdoor unit. One's going to go on the suction line, which is your larger line, and the other one's going to go on your liquid line, which is a smaller line, and sometimes it's going to go on discharge line. I mean, generally what we like to see on the suction line, 42 to 52 degrees. I'm gonna come in, generally hook up my pressure gauges first, and then we'll come back out, put the clamps on, and then we'll get into drilling the ductwork for our manometers to check static pressure. When we come in and deploy the Fieldpiece probe package, it's a 9-day difference, and it's a game changer, right? The amount of data that this collects compared to the traditional gauges there's no comparison whatsoever. So the numbers don't lie. On your outdoor unit or package unit, you're going to have your king valves or just service ports. These are going to connect on the suction side and the liquid side. Depends on the freon. So each freon is going to have different design pressures. Another great thing about this is we no longer have the hoses, whereas before when we go to take our hoses off, now we've got all that freon. But over time, if you're coming out 2 times a year and you're checking refrigeration levels, you're losing that small amount of refrigeration every time. So by using these, so you're no longer losing all the freon that would be in that line. We discovered Fieldpiece basically watching other guys on YouTube. Pretty much most of our Fieldpiece product has come from Johnstone, because you're gonna get all the old that are gonna be like, I used to do this by myself and blah, 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 and all that. And they're still using their mechanical gauges. Chicks dig them. We're gonna get some jerk off that's gonna be like, oh, actually, you take the clouds in the sky and divide it by the dirt in the ground, and that gives you,